entrance room for you. Tan tadan, tadadan. Here. Salubungin natin ang bonggang-bongga, guys. Kasi binilan na pa naman ako niya ng ano. Welcome home.
Where's your new camera?
It just arrived. You need to say hi to my vlogs. You want me to go back to vlogs and then
What's that?
you want me to go back to vlogs.
I haven't seen your vlog for a while. Did it arrive yet?
It's arrived. I'll open it later.
Oh, okay. So this garage door, has it done it a few times?
Yeah,
Really? I'm gonna have to call somebody.
I know.
I mean, I think it just, I don't know.
You need help with your luggage? You
It's
sure?
pissing me off. I'm not happy about this.
I know.
Call somebody out here. Jesus Christ. Now I got it. Is there room?
Yeah. I make an entrance room for you. Tan tadan, tadadan.
Like Superman.
Okay guys, matutulog si Mister kasi kulang siya ng tulog. So I let him to take a nap. And ako yung magsusundo ng dalawang bata. So for the meantime, mag-i-unboxing natin to guys. These two gadget. Bagong gadget for vlogging. I'm not sure if magagamit ko to. Kasi pag-aralan ko pa siya guys kung ano, paano siya gamitin. Although nanood na ako ng mga videos. Pero ano pa rin, pag-aralan ko pa siya guys. Sa ngayon, i-unboxing natin siya guys. Sana magagamit ko siya mamaya. Kasi si Brianna, sunduin ko siya sa school, pati si Liam, and then going straight to the Pumon. And then after that, may soccer si Brianna guys. Practice soccer niya sa sa CCB store, bagong league na sinalihan niya guys. Okay, look at this. Ayan, na to siya guys, nakaset na to siya for vlogging sa DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So ayan, may lagayan siya. First, unahin natin tong guys, yung lagayan. I'm excited, super excited. Kasi na-awkward akong mag-vlog pag yung phone ko gamit ko guys. Kasi alam niyo naman yung mga ibang tao, ayaw nila na nasa camera sila guys. O sila, na-awkward sila pag may nag-vlog. Kaya ito yung gagamitin natin guys. Gagamitin natin to kasi plano namin guys na magbabakasyon. Ayan, buksan na natin. So, ayan, may sarili siyang bag pouch. Lagayan. Ang ganda. Look at this, guys. Ooh. And, so, okay. Ito yung laman niya. Oh. Buksan natin. Oh my God, look at this guys. Naka-on na siya. Pag buksan nyo, ayan o. Ayan, makikita nyo. Ayan, naka-ano na siya. Ayan, ang ganda. I'm super excited talaga nito guys. Pero hindi ko pa siya alam paano gamitin. And, ano bang kasamang laman nito? Ayan, may siya. Pang charging. And, what is this? We'll figure it out kung ano to guys. Ooh, and then may kasama din siyang ito yata yung yung ididikit na microphone guys ba? Isasarado ko muna. Oh. Okay. And then, may isa pa. Ayan. Dalawa siya, guys. Ayan. And then, so, ayan yung laman niya. Ayan o. pa. Ito na yung pinaka buksan natin guys. Ano pala to siya, yung set na sa website nila na mini vlog combo set is nasa mga 900 plus US dollars. Okay, bakit ba may nasira na tuloy itong kuko ko. Okay. Kubaran natin. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. Look at this, guys. Tantaran! Tantararan! Ooh! Ito yata yung battery niya. If I'm not mistaken. Oh, guys, tignan nyo. May siya. Lagayan. So, ito na siya, guys. Ang liit niya. Grabe. Yan na siya, guys. Oh. So, ganyan lang yan siya. Ayan. Nakaano siya. Ka-safety. And then, tanggalin natin. Pahirapan na tuloy. Ayan. Then, I think this is yung niya, yung screen niya, guys. Yan. I-on natin. Oh. English, yep. Okay. Ang liit niya, guys. Ayan, nakaharap na siya sa akin. Okay. Wait. Oh, no SD card pala. Akala ko magre-record na siya, guys. Ayan, oh. So, lagyan pa pala ito ng SD card. Ayan, ito, oh. Bilhan ko pa siya ng SD card, guys. Wala siyang SD card pala. Okay. So, hindi ko siya magagamit ngayon. Ayan. Pag naka-off siya, na siya, guys, yung, ayan yung on. Then, pag naka-off siya, oops, balik ko muna kasi wala pa siyang SD card, guys. Nag-unboxing. Ito yata yung pinakalaos na unboxing, guys. Ay, Caroline. Nag-unboxing ka pa. Okay, balik muna natin to. Kasi bibili pa pala tayo ng SD card. So, hindi ko siya magagamit mamaya, guys. Anyway, yung phone ko na lang, ang gamit ko pala ngayon for vlogging is my phone. Okay, parang na-stress ako. Hi guys! Dito na ako sa sa side street lang, guys, kasi yung school nila po yan nandun pa, maglalakad pa sila ng konti. Ayaw kong magpa-park sa parking area ng school kasi super busy. Pag na, guys, pag mag-i-exit ka, while dito lang sa side street, pwede naman siyang magpa-parking dito, guys, while naghihintay sa mga kids. Marami ding nagpa-park dito. So dito ko sila hinintay. And diretso na kami ng Kumon after this. Pag nandito na sila sa guys. Mga 3:20. Inaorasan ko sila mga 3:20 na na sila. Nandito na sila sa loob ng car.
Where's Dad?
Hi.
Where's Dad?
Not here yet.
What?
Did you eat your snacks?
I'm hungry.
Did you eat your snacks?
I want hot chocolate.
No, we're going straight to the Kumon.
What?
Yeah. Did you eat your snacks?
Liam, I have goldfish.
But how's your day, my love?
It was good.
Good. Are you ready? How's your ears? Do you want to go to the practice or no?
Yes.
Why you look
But
so
it's so hot. It's hot.
Okay. Are you ready to go to Kumon, guys?
Mhm.
Liam, did you eat your Oreos? Do you want me to pack something for you when I pick you up? Do you want me to pack some fruits? Okay. How about you, Baba?
I already have goldfish in my backpack for.
Okay, you need to start eating that. How about, did you eat your goldfish, Liam?
There's no goldfish in my backpack.
I put some goldfish there in your backpack.
No.
In the pink one.
No, you said that's a green L.
Dito na kami sa soccer area. Ang aga namin. Si Brianna's ready. Are you ready? Do you want me to fix your hair?
Yes.
Why didn't we bring chairs?
So they're having snacks.
Didn't even think about it. Why didn't we bring
No.
a chair?
Yan yung driver namin. Our driver is back. After he drove a plane, now he's driving us. Mm-hmm.
In the car.
Driving in the car. How about, can you check into your pocket ba? Here, at the back of my seats. Can you check it? I think sometimes I put some hair ties.
Oh, I have a hair tie in my backpack.
Can I fix your hair now or later?
Backpack.
This one.
Oh.
Hi guys,
I was
we
wondering
are
because
back
they didn't
so
have a
fast.
table or anything set up for
Yeah.
sign in. It's like, what's going
So
on?
nawawmali kami guys kasi hindi pa pala ngayon ang practice ni Brianna, next week pa. September 16. So are you okay, my love? Come here, see her. Wait. See, look at her. She's full on uniform.
My ear hurts.
Does it? Shit. We got it. Take some, give her
Yeah.
some pain reliever and should we call the doctor tomorrow?
Check her ears. It's, I think,
Or just give it time?
yeah. What do you think, Daddy? What do you think? We'll call the doctor or...
How long is it?
So masakit kasi yung tenga ni Brianna, guys. Pero wala namang ano, hindi naman siya namaga. Okay, since... Pero yung practice ni Liam, Wednesday, next Wednesday pa.
We're gonna play a game. US versus Canada. Canada did a penalty, so US is doing a penalty. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.
As,
I'm ready.
Daddy asking you, how many chicken fingers?
what, four count?
Yeah. Mommy, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
And how about you want French fry? Waffle, those waffle fries, it's not a French fry.
No.
It's like a waffle. You want any mac and cheese?
Now.
No side dish?
Now.
Just the meat?
Yes.
Okay.
You don't want french fries?
Yes.
It's not French fries.
Ah, okay, it's not
Oh,
french
no
They don't have
French
French fries. They just got those waffle.
I'm ready. But let's just do it.
Oh, you
No.
miss it.
But they still play.
You miss it, dude.